Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel, Learning with DC24, the best teacher in the world. I'm your host, DC24. Okay, that's enough of DC24. Let's get started with today's lesson. Okay, welcome back. Today's topic is going to be about make the calculation correct. Now, you get this question sometimes. They're usually like one or two in your assessment or in your test or quizzes or whatever, and you don't know what to do. So basically, what it means is that you're just trying to get the numbers to fit into the squares, or sometimes they just put lines like over here. So how do you do that? The first thing you want to do is get one of the numbers and just put it here. So that's 7. But there's one more square left, and they are two numbers. So how do you turn these two numbers to become only one number, so you can fit into the only square that we have? Well, you just multiply it. So 3 times 5 will give you 15. Okay? Do you understand? Because 15 is the same as 3 times 5. So you just write in this number just in a different way. Alright? Or you can just put the 3 here instead, and then do 5 times 7. Okay? So that's 35. However you want to do it, they're both correct. But the main point is just to fit 3 numbers into 2 squares. Pick one of the numbers. For example, you picked 7, you put it into 1 square, and then the remaining numbers you multiply, or if it's plus, you add. If it's minus, you minus. Either way, whatever it is, you multiply plus or minus, and you put it into the only box that's there. Now, moving on to the second one. It has 25 times 15. Sometimes it can come in this form. So what you want to do here is, it has 2 numbers, but it has 4 squares. So how do you do this? You take this number and you just split it. So as we said over here, 15 is the same as 3 times 5. So what is the same as 25? What 2 numbers can we multiply to get 25? So it's 5 times 5 equals 25. And then 15, what 2 numbers can you multiply to get 15? It's 3 times 5. Okay? And you're always going to get the same answer. 25 times 15 will equal 375. 5 times 5 times 3 times 5 also equals 375. Okay, so it's all about being the same thing, but using different numbers. Now, let's try it one more time. In number 3, 18 times 12. What do? 18. What 2 numbers can give you 18? Let's try 9 times 2 or 6 times 3. However you want to do it. And for 12, you can do 4 times 3 or 6 times 2. They're both correct. So 18 times 12 will give you 216, and 9 times 2 times 4 times 3 will also give you 216, because even though they're different numbers, they both give the same results. Okay? Now let's look at the last one. 3 times 2 times 7. It has 3 numbers, but this time it picked the number for you already. So it picked 7 and it put it here. So what's left for you to do is turn these 2 numbers into one number. How do you do that? 3 times 2 will give you 6. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. That's how you do this calculation. That's how you make it equal. And this is how you do it. If you have any questions, just let me know down in the comment section. And if you do understand, thank you so much for watching, and please do enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.